मैं और मेरा बडी बैठे हुए थे, वी वर सिटिंग बिहाइंड अ ट्री एंड वी सॉ 2 guys. यानी वो मिलिटेंट भी, यानी कोई हथियार छुपाते नहीं थे, अपना उन्होंने पाउच पहना हुआ है, हथियार हाथ में रखकर आराम से खुले घूमते थे, बिकॉज दे न्यू आर्मी विल नॉट कम ओवर हियर टिल द टाइम वी हिट देम. सो देयर वाज अ ट्रैक डाउन, उसके पीछे नदी थी, हम वी वर ऑन अ मिड रिज काइंड ऑफ ट्रैक से हम लोग कम से कम 60-70 मीटर्स पीछे होंगे. एंड देयर वर 2 guys वी सॉ क्रॉसिंग फ्रॉम देयर. वी स्टार्टेड ऑब्जर्विंग. हमने उनको 150-200 मीटर से आते देखा. एंड व्हेन दे वर जस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस एट अराउंड 60-70 meters, one of them guys stopped and he started walking directly towards us. I don't know from कहाँ से उसको क्या इंट्यूशन हुई. एक वो आगे जा रहा था नॉर्मल, एंड so this guy comes up and the other guy stops. They spoke आपस में, they were FTs थे दोनों. So वो ऊपर आना शुरू हुआ. So it was the way he was, because it was a uphill. यानी ऐसे करके हम बैठे थे, हम इधर थे तो हम इधर होंगे, तो वो ऐसे अपहिल था, वो नीचे से ऊपर आ रहा था. So I was on to the left and my told की अब हमने देख लिया हथियार सब आइडेंटिफाई, कोई there is no. So I took the first shot to him. That was precisely, I think so, three rounds we fired, or 2, yeah. So I fired him the first shot, and my buddy, because he was on the other side, he pointed to the next guy. So it was a cross kind of a thing. I just took the aim and I shot him first. First hit him over on the, I think so, rib cage पे लगी. जब उसको गोली लगी, because he was climbing up, so उसको गर्मी में पता नहीं लगा कि गोली आई कहाँ से है. So he just put his hand down and he turned back. He thought somebody has shot him from behind. In the meantime, my buddy had engaged the other guy. So he hit him with the first bullet, and I hit him over here in the. So he turned back, and he couldn't see anything. He took up his weapon and fired indiscriminately towards हवा में कहीं पे. Then he turned back, and then I took the second shot. It hit him straight over here at 20, 30, 35 meters. It had blasted like the precision of that even doesn't go away from my mind. It was very 3 rounds shot. 2 militants killed. Finish. Within 5 seconds. And we walked complete night. So it's a matter of 4-5 seconds.